kids. So how are you all? So here comes another sum which is quite interesting. So we need to factorize 2p to the power 9 plus 54q to the power 9. Alright. So remember, this 9 is clinging to p alone and this 9 is also clinging to q alone, not 54. Alright. So don't get confused. So first thing we will see is that 2 is here. Can we also derive 2 from here? Of course we can, because this is an even number. Alright. So we have 2 as common and we are left with p to the power 9 plus, okay, we have 27 q to the power 9. Alright. So remember, we can, okay, now convert this, okay, as p to the power 3 to the power 3. This is a curly bracket. We need to separate 2 from this, okay, and we have over here 27, which is 3 to the power 3. All right, but this is q to the power 9, so we can write 3q to the power 3, and in bracket we can write 3 outside, curly bracket. All right, closed. Next, this reminds us of the identity of factorization a cube plus b cube, which is equal to a plus b and a square minus ab plus b square. Alright, so this is how it goes. So can we not convert this cube and this cube in this manner? Of course we can. So we have 2 here. Okay, now let's do our a plus b. My a is p cube and my b is 3q cube. All right, so this is my first one. Second one will be a square. P cube is my a, which needs to be squared. Okay, then I have minus here sign and ab. So a is p cube dot 3q, okay, to the power 3, which is my b. Then we have plus over here, okay, we have b square, which is 3q to the power 3, okay, whole, and then we close this curly bracket. We have 2 curly brackets over here. Now we'll simplify further. 2 will continue to be there and we can go back to the first bracket now and write 3q to the power 3, and here let's simplify. This becomes p to the power 6 and here 3, okay, p to the power 3 and q to the power 3 plus 3 into 3 is 9, q to the power 6, 3 into 2 is 6. All right, so thus this is our answer and we have been able to factorize it. Okay, so that's it guys. So I hope you people have understood, and do subscribe to my channel. That is very, very important, because we do not feel wanted if you don't do it. Thank you so much guys. Have a great day. Bye bye. Nice teaching you all.